Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make Pane Bianco, which translates from Italian into white bread. And while that doesn't sound very exciting, the key here is we get to fill it with whatever ingredients we enjoy. And I'm going to use sun-dried tomatoes, mozzarella, and olives. Another fun component of this bread is how we shape it. So, let me show you what we need so we can get started.
The equipment for this recipe includes a spatula, a large bowl, plastic wrap, and a baking pan. The ingredients include, for the dough, 3 cups all-purpose or bread flour, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 large egg, a half a cup of warm milk, and a 1/3 cup warm water. For the filling, you'll need 3/4 cups of mozzarella cheese, a half a cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and a 1/4 cup of chopped basil. Step 1. Combine all dough ingredients into a bowl and mix until a shaggy dough appears. Step 2. Sprinkle some flour onto a clean surface and knead the dough until it becomes smooth. With the heel of your hand, press into the dough and roll forward. With your fingers, pull back the dough and repeat. This may take some time getting used to, but as long as you are moving the dough around, you're building the gluten activity, which means you'll get a stronger structure. The longer you knead it, the smoother it becomes. Continue for about 5 to 8 minutes or until smooth. The dough will still be somewhat sticky. Step 3. Lightly grease a bowl and place the dough within. Cover with plastic wrap and let rest for about an hour or until doubled. This is the first rise, otherwise known as a proof. Step 4. While the dough is proofing, rinse, dry, and cut your filling ingredients. Place them in a bowl and mix together. Then cover with plastic wrap until the dough has finished its first proof.
So as you can see, the dough has risen, and what we're going to do next is really fun. We're going to flatten it into a rectangle, put all of our filling into it, roll it into a log, shape it into an S, and then leave it for about an hour or so before we're ready to bake.
Step 5. Flour a clean surface and gently press the dough into a 22-inch by 8-inch rectangle. Then spread the fillings of your choice. Lift the long edge of the rectangle and roll the dough toward you, making a long log. Don't worry if the dough feels thin and deflated. It will go through a second proof, which will puff it up again. Step 6. Place the log on a lightly greased baking pan. Take each edge and curl them down to form an S shape. Tuck each end under the center, ultimately forming a figure 8. Step 7. Using a sharp knife or scissors, cut along the top side of the figure 8, revealing the filling. Step 8. Cover with wrap and let it rise a second time, 45 to 60 minutes. Step 9. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and when you see that your dough has fully risen for the second time, move on to step 10. Bake the bread for 40 minutes. Continue to check on it. If it begins to get too dark, tint with aluminum foil.
And there you have it, Pane Bianco. So let's cut into it and see what it looks like.
Step 11. Cut into slices and enjoy.